So I had the question of how do I keep my downstream injector rinsed out so that it will last longer? Do I do it after each job? Do I do it at the end of the day? How do I keep this to make it last longer so it will last longer than 4 to 6 weeks? And in this video, I want to show you how I do that. But before I get there, don't forget to check out pressurewashhelp.com to help you grow your business, be successful, and to change your life. And also, if you want to learn more about pressure washing and an in-person training, go check out pressurewashhelp.com/in-person training. And there you will find how you can learn to become a pressure washer and take away a lot of the learning curve. What we have here is our downstream injector right here. And way we keep this from getting so that it don't keep soap in it is we come over here to this three-way valve right here. This valve goes from right here. This line actually goes back to my water tank, and this valve goes over to my soap tank. So when I'm soaping, it's going to be up, and that means I'm soaping. And so what that does is when I go to turn my soap off so that I can rinse the house, now I'm pulling water out of my soap tank, or out of my water tank. So with my water tank, when I'm in rinse mode, I'm actually cleaning out my injector with water. So that way my injector really never has soap in it unless I'm actually soaping a house. And then by the time I come back here and turn it off, and then I start rinsing the house, and then that way there's soap never in the house. So I hope that helped you out how to troubleshoot or how to turn off and keep a injector without keeping soap, and how to keep it rinsed out. I will have all the links of of that three-way ball valve and extra hose down in the description or on that website. I'll probably actually put this video, put it on a website, and then that way it'll be just detailed out of everything you need, so that way you can keep your soap, so you can keep your water tank hooked up to your injector and your soap tank. If you want help to learn how to troubleshoot video on how to troubleshoot a downstream injector, I did this video right up here. I'll see you in that video. In this video here, I go over, there's probably 5 to 10 different things. There's 10 different things that I go over of what can be wrong, of why a downstream injector is not working. And I go over that in this video. See you in my next video.